Hello guys, I'm Milind from Shiretechnik Solutions, and today I'm at the event from Conceptia organized on the occasion of SOLIDWORKS Innovation Day, and it was a great event. A lot of good topics were covered and order of the topics were also good. I definitely think audience might have got good insights of how SOLIDWORKS and 3D experience could be used for their product development and how it can be helped for their product success. And the order, how it was organized is also well. And I also presented a case study which was about thermal simulation, where we used SolidWorks flow simulation and conducted ran around 25 to 30 simulations and presented how the thermal simulations have helped us to understand the product performance and its thermal performance even before the product is prototyped. So that was a good experience, and I definitely like to extend my gratitude to the Conceptia and the organizer for such a good program.